Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So today in this video we're taking a look at another power bank, and this is the Urbn or Urbn 20,000 mAh power bank. This is a 20 watt version. This is also available in 18 watt and I think 22 watt version is also available. The one I've got is the 20 watt version, and this supports Qualcomm fast charging as well as the power delivery. It is available in two colors. One is white color and the other one is black color. I got this in white colors because the white looked really nice with the green accented button and the green USB ports. So white color was my choice. This is the packaging. You can see on the box Urbn logo, 20,000 mAh capacity. It comes with a USB Type-C cable, which is a very nice thing, especially today when every phone comes with a USB-C port and all the accessories that we have mostly uses USB-C. There is two-way of fast charging. You can charge the power bank as well as the power bank can charge your phone with the fast charging speed. Type-C cable obviously included, 6-month warranty. They are claiming it to be made in India. I really doubt that because we do not manufacture lithium polymer batteries and a lot of components are not manufactured in India. So they are basically probably assembling this in India and calling it a made in India product. This cannot be 100% made in India product. So there is that. At the back of the box you can see there is some specification written here. You can see the ports layout. Comes with two USB-A port and two input port, two output port. Two USB-A port are your output port and the USB-C port can also be used as an output port, as you can see here. These are the output configuration here. You can see that the input support is 5 volt 2 ampere, 9 volt 2 ampere, 18 watt maximum. So you can use a maximum 18 watt charger to charge this power bank. That doesn't mean you can't use 20 watt 40 watt. You can use any charger. What this means is that the power bank will only make use of the 18 watt that you are supplying this. So you can use any charger, 20 watt, 40 watt, 60 watt, any charger will work, but the power bank will only take 18 watts from your chargers. So that's what this means. These are the output configuration. You can see 5 volt 3 ampere, 9 volt 2 amperes, 12 volt 1.5 amp, and power delivery is also supported in this power bank. So without any further delay, let's just take the power bank out and see how it looks from inside and what comes in the box. So the box is empty now. Let me grab this now. So we've got the power bank itself. Let's keep it here. We've got a very small, less than 1 feet long USB-A to USB-C cable. It's a good thing that they've included a USB-C cable, although they could have given a little bigger cable as well. Lastly, we've got this feedback card, happy unhappy card, and this is also, I think, for the replacement and the 6-month warranty. Here is your manual. There's not much in the manual, general stuff that comes with power bank. So let's keep all these things aside for now and let's focus on the power bank itself. So this is the power bank layout. You can see there are 4 LEDs which glows when the power bank is completely charged, and they will tell you how much charge is left in the power bank. Here is the button. The button is only for letting you know how much charge it has. So you don't have to press the button every time you want to charge your phone. So as soon as you plug in your phone, it will automatically start charging. You don't have to use this button. This button is only for letting you know how much charge is left. So let me press this button once. You can see that at the moment it is displaying 3 LEDs. So this is more than about 75% charge. If you press this 2 times at the same time, click, you will see it will turn off the LEDs. Now talking about the LEDs of this power bank, the LEDs comes with one single special feature in which the leftmost LED will glow green whenever fast charging is triggered on this power bank. So let me show you what I mean. So I've got this Poco X3 here and this phone supports fast charging. So let's see what happens when I connect a fast charging capable phone in this power bank. So let me plug in this cable that came with the power bank itself, and if I plug this cable inside the power bank, you can see the phone is charging. It says quick charge, and the LED that is glowing on the power bank is of a different color. You can see the leftmost LED is of green color, which lets you know that the power bank is now working on fast charging feature. And when you connect a device which doesn't support fast charging, the LED will keep glowing white, telling you that the fast charging is not being used. So that is one good feature, that you always know whether the power bank is using fast charging or it is using normal charging. These are your charging ports, 2 USB-A port, which are your output port. The USB-C port can also be used as an output port. You will also get a micro USB port, so you can use any cable, a micro USB as well as the USB-C cable to charge this phone. Again, at the back of the power bank, the information is given here. Now talking about the build quality seems decent, although the plastic quality can still be improved. The power bank feels solid in the hand. While I'm shaking this in my hand, I don't feel any moving parts, so this is completely sturdy while holding in the hand. So overall, the build quality and the looks of the power bank is really nice. You can see the logo here as well. Alright, so now let us check the output of this power bank. So as you can see on the box, the output of the power bank is given as at 5 volt it is capable of 3 amperes, at 9 volts 2 amperes, and at 12 volts 1.5 amperes. So I've got my USB meter here. Let me plug this in. It's plugged in. Let me plug in my USB load. So at 5 volts we should be able to get 3 amperes. Let me increase the current. 1 ampere, 2 amperes, 3 amperes, and I'm way above 3 amperes, and the voltage is still holding at 5 volts. So this power bank is very powerful. The voltage is not dropping. Your charging speed will be fast. Now let us go to 9 volts, and at 9 volts it should be able to give 2 amperes. So this is 9 volts now, and because 9 volts is a fast charging voltage, you can see the first LED on the power bank, which is here, has changed from white to green, which is also another feature on this power bank. So whenever a fast charging is triggered on this power bank, the first LED, the leftmost LED, will turn green. That tells you that the power bank is working on fast charging. So at 9 volts we should be able to get 2 amperes. Let me increase the current. 1 ampere, 1.9, 2 amperes, and well above 2 amperes. Still the voltage is holding at 9 volts. So very nice. Now let us go to 12 volt. This is 12 volts now, and on the 12 volt setting we should be able to get 1.5 amperes. As you can see, at 12 volts 1.5 amperes. So let me increase the current to 1.5 amperes, 1.5, even 1.6, and the voltage is still holding at 12 volts. So very powerful, very stable power bank. Even if you're using an old cable, your charging speed should still be good. So that was the output of the power bank using the USB ports, and both the ports supports fast charging. Now let us check the USB-C port as well. Alright, to check the USB-C port, I will use my USB-C meter. Let me plug this in. So USB meter is now plugged in. Let me go to the protocol detection page. So this is the protocol detection page. Let's select the setting. It says dangerous. Let me press this button, and now we should be able to see how many type of charging it supports. So Qualcomm 2.0 is supported, Qualcomm 3.0 is supported, Samsung adaptive fast charging is supported, and it also comes with Type-C PD support. So this power bank also supports power delivery, which you can use in a lot many devices which supports power delivery. So that was the output test of the power bank. So before we continue with the testing of this power bank and test the capacity and the charging time of this power bank, let me answer a couple of questions which usually comes to our mind whenever we are looking for a power bank in the market. Question number 1, does this power bank supports low power mode? Although there is no mention on the box or on the manual whether this power bank has a low power mode or not, but I tried 2 different Bluetooth earphones, and these takes a very low power, and I was able to charge them without any problem, and this power bank was able to charge them fully from 0 to 100%. So I think it does have a low power mode, so you will be able to charge your low power devices such as wireless earphone, your smart watches, and other devices that take very low power. Question number 2 is whether this power bank supports pass-through charging or not. So let us test that right now. Alright, so now to test the pass-through charging, whether this power bank supports pass-through charging or not, I've got this extension here. So now let us start charging our power bank. So to charge our power bank, I've got this charger here. Let me plug this here, grab a charging cable, plug this in, plug it in my power bank. So as you can see, our power bank is now charging. Now let me plug in a phone into this power bank and see whether the phone keeps on charging or the charging stops. So here I've got a phone. Let me grab a charging cable. So I've got this charging cable here. Let me just plug this in. So our power bank is charging. As you can see, the LED indicators are still blinking. So let's plug in the phone as well. This is the Poco X3. Phone is charging and the power bank is also charging. That means this power bank does support pass-through charging. So that's very helpful, especially when you've got a single charger and you want to charge your power bank at the same time you want to charge your phone. So the pass-through charging on this power bank is supported. Now the third question that comes to mind is, if a lot of people have got phones which do not support fast charging, and their problem is that they think that their phone may get damaged. That is not the case. If your phone doesn't support fast charging, then any power bank and this power bank will not charge your phone at a fast charging rate. So for example, I've got this very small phone. This does not support fast charging at all. And let's see what happens when I plug in this phone into my power bank. So the power bank is now plugged in. Let me connect it here. And as you can see, my phone is now charging, and it is still able to charge my phone, and it is not charging it at the faster speed, because you can see at faster speed the first LED becomes green, so the fast charging is not working. So the fast charging will only charge your phone when your phone supports fast charging. If you connect a phone or device that do not support fast charging, then the fast charging will not work. Alright guys, so after testing the output of this power bank, what I've done is I have completely charged this power bank to 100%, and now I will be charging a couple of devices with this power bank until the power bank is completely drained, and that should tell us how much capacity this power bank actually has. So I will be charging my Poco X3, a Redmi Note 7, a couple more devices, and we will see how much capacity we are able to get out of this Urbn power bank. So without any further delay, let's just plug this in. So I will be using the cable that came with the power bank itself. There it went. Let's plug it in. And as you can see, the power bank is now 100% charged, or the LEDs are glowing and stable. So let me plug in my phone, starting with the Poco X3. As you can see, it is at 1%, and everything that we will be charging are going to be from 1%. It also says fast charging, quick charge. So now we'll come back when the power bank is completely drained, and I will share what is the capacity of this power bank. Alright guys, so I have completely discharged the power bank. If I press the button, you can see that a single LED is blinking. That means it is completely drained. And these are my results. As you can see, I charged my Poco X3, which has a battery of 6000 mAh. Then I charged my Redmi Note 7, which has a battery of 4000 mAh. Then I again charged my Poco X3 to about half charge, that is 50%, which is 3000 mAh. I charged my Redmi Note 7 again 50%, which is 2000 mAh. So in total I was able to get 15,000 mAh, and even after that I was able to charge two of my wireless earphones without any problem. So you can expect total capacity of 15,000 mAh or a little more, depending upon the temperature and at what percent you are charging your device from. Every time I was charging my phone, though, it was from 1% or 2%. My phones were never completely dead, so there is that. So 15,000 mAh or sometimes a little more is what I would say the capacity of this Urbn 20,000 mAh power bank is. Now as you can see, the power bank is completely drained. Let us do the charging test of this power bank and see how long this power bank takes to charge from 0 to 100% using a fast charger. Alright guys, so now as you can see, I have drained the power bank completely. If I press the button, you can see that the last LED is blinking. That means the power bank is completely drained. So now let us do the charging test of this power bank and see how long this power bank takes to charge. To charge this power bank, I will be using my fast charger. This is the Oki fast charger, and as you can see, the top two ports are your fast charging ports, and the cable that I will be using to charge this power bank is the cable that came with the power bank itself. This is a USB-A to USB-C cable. Now let us measure how much power this power bank takes while charging. Although on the box they say that this is capable of 18 watts, let's see how much it actually draws from a fast charging power bank. So this is a fast charging port. Let me plug this in. USB meter turned on. Let's plug in the cable, and now let me plug in the charging cable in the power bank. So this is the USB-C port. It's plugged in. As you can see, the LED is blinking, and if you see on the meter, it is drawing about 13 watts of power. At 5 volts, it is taking 2.6 ampere, which is not bad actually. So I think the charging speed of this power bank is really good. Let's see how long it actually takes. So at the moment, if you look at my phone, it is 9:35. Now we'll come back when the power bank is completely charged. So let me just remove the meter first. because we don't want to affect the meter, the charging speed. Plugging in the charging port there. Now let's come back when the charging is completed. Alright guys, so as you can see, our power bank is completely charged as all the 4 LEDs are glowing and are stable. And we did the charging test using a fast charger, and we were using the cable that came with the power bank, which was a USB-C cable. We started charging at 9:35, and as you can see, the time at the moment is 5:07 a.m. and there was a power cut for about 20 minutes during that time, so I also added that into the calculation. So in total it took about 7 hours to charge this phone completely from 0 to 100%. So 7 hours is the charging time of this power bank using a fast charger. So that was the charging time of this power bank, and that brings us to the end of this video. So in this video we tested the output of this power bank using a USB meter. I also tested the capacity of this power bank, which I've just shown you. I also shown you how much time this power bank takes to charge from 0 to 100% using a fast charger. I think for 1000 rupees this is a decent power bank, and for the past 6-7 days I've been using this, charged this, discharged this about 3-4 times, and these are my results. This was my result I shown you in the beginning, and these were my testing result which I was doing after that. So overall this is a decent power bank for 1000 rupees, considering it also comes with power delivery, which may not be of much use to you at the moment, but maybe it does come with the technology, so maybe in future devices you will be able to use that. So there is that. Also comes with pass-through charging, which is also a nice feature, and a fast charging indicator. The leftmost LED turns green when the fast charging is triggered. So there we go. This was my video on the Urbn Power 20,000 mAh 20 watt power bank. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. And if you have any questions about this power bank, please put them in the comment section, and I will try to answer them as sincerely as possible. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Bye bye.